Okay. We're live. Oh, shoot. 1 second. I'm going to close my door. All right. Real quick, before we get started, I'm going to start adding more songs to the playlist because this playlist is a little lacking. Good old game chops. All right. Oh, and 1 sec. Before I get started, I should figure out if chat is working. Okay, that's working. And then at game dev sprints, I miss you. Okay. Is that going to become my stream's deep cut? I don't know. Okay, let's see. Hyrule Cafe 2. Is this one good? Ooh, it's kind of long. Actually, it's not very long. 42 minutes. Ooh, I've never seen this one before. Well, that's pretty inoffensive. I'll put that in. Cool. Cool. Yeah, we'll just do it. That is now in the playlist. Sonic and Chill 2. Cool. Yeah, this is good. Yeah. Yeah, this is great. All right. Nope. That's not what I wanted. I wanted this. Oh, and it looks like I can remove. Okay. Next. Stardew and Sleep. I have a lot of Stardew in my playlist already. I mean, let's be real though. I guess there's basically like 4 games, right? There's Stardew, there's Zelda, there's Sonic, and there's Pokemon. It's pretty funny. We chill. Is this good? All right, works for me. I didn't end up liking this Avatar and Chill very much. I've played it. All of them were just like really intense. Also, that just doesn't look like Aang to me. Gonna be real. Yeah, this is like crazy intense. Ooh, Mario and Chill? Okay. Oh, I do like Helint. All right. This one's so good. All right, yeah, we're gonna add this. Ah. Genesis jams. Do I already have this one in there? I think I do. Oh yeah, there's a synthwave album that I really liked. Which one was it? Let's see. I have one of the songs on it that I keep using. I don't see it. Is it this? What's it called? I'm gonna look it up. Oh, it's just one song. I like this one. I think it's already in the playlist though. Yeah, it is. Okay. All right. I think I've spent enough time on this. Oh, okay. But we got to stop it. We got to go back to the playlist. All right. Ah. Playlists, stream. It's over 4 hours now. Shuffle play. Loop. And let's turn the volume down a little bit. I don't want it to be distracting me. Okay. Before we get started, let's check. Oh no, I've been rejected. It's a little unfortunate that they didn't send me an email on that. For not adhering to Google Play policies. All right, view details. So let's zoom in a little bit. Developer program policies. Misleading claims. Okay. First. Developer program policies. So I just have to figure it out. They're not going to tell me. That's kind of lame. App does not match the store listing. When it's installed, your app's icon or name is different to the one shown in its store listing. What? Oh, actually that is completely true. That is 100% true. Oh no. I forgot about that. Shoot. This isn't even the right app. Oh no. Rookie mistake. Big old rookie mistake there. Android, where is my icon? Do I not do it in here? Launcher icons, there we go. 192 by 192, that's a different size, yet again. Application config icon. I want to see this. Project config icon. There we go. This thing needs to change. Here, let me grab the icon and put it in here. But let's look up Android icon guide. Yeah, okay. Okay, good. That's what it is. Okay. Dang it. Oh, that sucks. Wrong thing. This thing. What did I change in the game? Oh no, I changed it in the... Okay. Oh, that hurts. That hurts a little bit. Let's see. Let me run it on my phone. Gotta get this all set up. I can figure out while that's building what the other thing is. Because this one, they at least told me what was wrong, right? The other one is this, not adhering to Google Play developer program policies. And then they just say, it does not hear. Play developer program policies. This is not the same thing, right? No, this is it. Okay. What's up? Still sick? No. How about you? Oh, shoot. I'm sorry. Lots of fluids. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, my voice might still be a little gravelly, but no, I feel good. I'm sorry you're not feeling good. Yeah, I got rejected. Sorry, you probably missed that. I got rejected on the Play Store, and it just said not adhering to Google Play developer program policies, but it didn't tell me what policies that I'm not adhering to. So I just got to figure it out, I guess. Policy status, yeah. This one, though, is a really dumb issue. Oh, did my build fail? What the heck? Signatures don't match. BS. Alright, I'll just delete it. Basically, I didn't have an icon in the Android APK. Like a fool. I was a fool. What? Why won't it let me build this? I have the correct signing key. Okay, it worked that time. Now let's see. Oh, that icon is terrible. Oh my goodness. Oh no. I should have anticipated this. What's the space for the icon? There's usually a guide on that, right? Okay, 384 by 384. I probably fit that, don't I? Oops, that's not good. Okay, well. All right, so what does, here, let's just insert. Yep, up here. 384 is what it was. Okay, fair enough. That I did not correctly line that up. All right. So let's do, I mean, I can probably just scale it down, honestly. So let's see. It's 512 right now. Let's do some math. I mean, okay, no, let's just try 75%. Yeah, I'd say that fits pretty nicely, right? Ooh, but the glow got all cut off. I don't want to have to do this again. Yeah, I kind of nailed that though. It's 75% almost exactly, huh? Okay. We're going in. We gotta do the hard things too. This one is fine. It's this one right here that I need to redo. So I just copy this, put it up here. Wait. There. From scratch, you say? No, luckily not from scratch, but... Oh, sorry. Let's increase the chat now that there's more people or more chats in here. Okay. So redoing this guy and then redoing this guy. This one. Oh, goodness. What did I do there? I did something wrong. And then this one. Okay, so this, I do this, 40, I believe, and then Gaussian blur. I think that, yeah, okay. Normal on this one, I believe. No, this one is also addition. It's just not that. Okay. Filter, blur. Okay, I want it to be a bit darker. Let's go 50. And then blur it. Okay, hang on. We're just going to delete this. It clearly is struggling with the undos. Okay, get rid of this. Addition is fine. Make it darker. And then blur. Darken. All right, let me check my other email. I don't think it's possible that it would be in my other email because even to set up an email with this, I just have an organization. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, I didn't get an email. So maybe what happened is maybe what happened is it's saying not adhering to this, and then this is the real thing. But I don't know. No, this is not helpful. Boo. All right, lock in. I'm almost done. Okay. Export. Play Store icon. PNG. Now let's try that again. Go back here. Ooh, you know what? It doesn't look very good. Here, let me bring up a way for you to see real quick. Yeah, see, it kind of cuts off. Dang it. All right, let's shrink it again. Let's do a circle as well in another paint layer. 384 radius, or I guess diameter. Ah. Okay. Then center it. 6. Oh, maybe that's the problem here. Did I not center my square? I don't think I did. Yep. Although that looks better than this icon on Android. Let's zoom in a little bit. Yeah, so it's got to be smaller. Let's go back to this guide. Android circle icon diameter. This isn't helpful because it's giving me what they actually are on the screen, but I want what I need to upload. Yeah, the circle, you can tell the circle is quite a bit smaller than the outer square in this little diagram. Right? 75%. So what's the circle? %. Like, how is that not just like in here though, right? Legacy mode. No. Okay, let's do... I don't have any of these. Do they not have Figma? There's probably a Figma. Okay, Google Play icon Figma. Sure. Starting a new Figma. Open in Figma. Okay. Also, this is not at all what I wanted. Freelance. Just me. Skip. Yes. Oh my gosh. This isn't what I wanted. Okay. Android icon guide Figma. Come on. There we go. How big is it? 60? That's not helpful. Android icon, circle icon. What percentage of full size icon is the circle's diameter? %61. All right, let's dive deeper with AI. This has started working for me a little bit better. So let's say if the Play Store icon is 512 by 512, what would the circle icon be in dimension? $313. That seems so wrong though. So let's get rid of this circle. Make a new one. We go to 313. Right? And center. Is that... See, that doesn't seem right. Yeah, that's incorrect. This is different. Yep, we're back here. Right? Yep, 512. Yeah, why won't it show me this? Why won't it show me this? Full square. Google Play dynamically handles masking. Radius will be equivalent to 20% of icon size. So does that make it... No, it can't be 80% because that's bigger than what I'm dealing with. What are the odds that this is actually pixel accurate? Like if I do a square. No, it's not. That would be way too convenient, right? Okay. Play Store product icon key lines. We're getting somewhere. Okay. We're getting close. Circle is 176, and this is based on 192. So if we pull up in the calculator, what are the odds? Nope. Not very useful. 192 times 3, 576. Well, I guess it's time to just eyeball it. We'll just go to 70 and eyeball it and call it good. So what is, yeah, I guess it doesn't matter. Scale. Well, that's not helpful. Yeah, what's 70%? 358. Call it a cool 360 maybe. Okay. That's probably good then. Oh man. This is quite annoying. I should have done this so much sooner. Okay, back to Godot. All right. That didn't change at all, did it? Did it not install? Yeah, why do I feel like that didn't change at all? Oh, this is not centered. Oh, but that's okay. Nine. Okay, let's center this. Does my icon look centered? Yes, it does. Okay. Yeah, that didn't change, did it? Here, let's uninstall. And reinstall, just to be sure. Okay, yeah, that changed. Let's show it on the phone. I think that looks nice. So that's gonna have to be it. Let's go back here and okay, whatever. Hide. Where's my checklist? Publishing overview? Sheesh, alright. Play console, change app icon. Graphics? Seems very outdated. Droppy ball. Yeah, these are just outdated. Oh, is it based on the... No, it's not based on the upload. I definitely uploaded something. Where did it go? Okay, is it this? It's this. No. View release overview. Playtest production. Is it this thing? Edge to edge may not display for all users. I noticed that. Okay. Why can't I find this? This is crazy. Aha, I found it. Replace. Play store icon. There it goes. Add. There we go. Save. Okay, and now I need to upload a new build. How do I upload a new build? Why am I so lost in this dashboard? Like, am I crazy? Create a new release. There we go. Okay. Let's bump this. There it is. Bump the version code to 4. 4. And rock and roll. Okay. Back to this. upload 4, and then updated the app icon. I'm still so frustrated that I didn't get an email from them. Also, I think I'm going to start filtering these things. Create new, label, Netlify. Boom. What? Oh, I didn't do the thing. Okay, how's it going? It's updated. Okay. So now, next to warnings, but these are the same warnings as last time. Yep. Okay. Save, and then can I put this as the playtest version now? Test and release. Man, why does this dashboard just feel so hard to use? Okay, so I do this, maybe? Oh, what's Droppy Ball Playtest 0? Is that the one you've been testing? No, it's right here, 3. So how do I upload... Like, how do I edit this playtest? Testing. Is it internal testing or closed testing? Is that the one I'm doing? No. Internal testing. Yes. Okay. Manage release. No, I'm just back here. Do I have to create a new one? Create a new release. No, I just did this. This is the same sheet. So do you see the new release? Like if you go to, oh, no, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. If you go here, what version do you see down here? Like, or is there like an update available or anything? Should I be able to update via the same link? See, that's what I don't know. Is it internal testing that I did? Yeah, the play test. And it only has one version code. How do I add more? Is it just because I'm zoomed in or? App bundle. Okay, so this is production, but I want testing. Internal testing. This. Untitled release. This is a draft. Okay, so let's edit this again. Version 4, code 4. Yeah, see, that's add from library. There we go. Boom, add to release. This will be called play test 1.0.4. Internal testing. Okay, so now here, let's add this to the Discord real quick. This build should have the new icon. Okay, yeah, go to the Discord. See if that works for you. Yes, okay, I think I did that right, finally. Goodness. Oh, that is the same link. That's interesting. So anyway, now it should be a different build. Can I test it? I can. I think I... Here, I gotta close this though. Oh. Sorry. Let's just close that. Okay, I'm getting it installed on my phone from the playtest. And it can't install. Why? Okay, uninstall, install. Is the Play Store signing key different than my local signing key? Okay, yeah, it worked. It worked. Okay. Perfect. Oh gosh. Oh no. You're not going to get any of this audio, I think. Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, Google just did not send me anything. Here, let's clear this out a little bit. All right, filter messages like these. Yes. Create filter. New label, Steam. Never send it to spam. This. The heck is that? Wait, which one was this one? Okay. Yeah. Definitely didn't receive anything. Oh, wait. Let me check another place. I'm going to go off screen for this. No, it didn't arrive in any other places. Ah, so lame. It won't tell me why. Okay, well, let's submit the thing. I fixed it, so... Okay, hang on. Go to store listings. Grow users store listings. Oh yeah, by the way, our website works now. Ta-da! That's fun. Check your default store listing, whatever. Yes. View email. Yeah, here it is. How do I find this? Policy emails? What the heck is this? How do I find more of these? Did I trash it for some reason? No. This is so weird. This email has been sent to the account owner. No, it has not. What am I missing? It's working. You got the icon. That's good. Can I like do this? Nope. Icon looks great. Glad you like it. You got a weird icon style. Okay, this is not what I want. Leave and discard. I want to just submit my new one. Let's just make sure production, open testing. So this is what I want to change. So I go over here, production, releases, manage release. No. There was probably, yeah, create new release. There we go. Actually, let's pull this open in another tab. What was it called? It was just called 3, 1.0.3. Got it. Add from library this guy. Nice. Added the app icon. Next. Yes, they were like, so let's see if I can find. How do I find that again? This. So they were like, this doesn't match. Which is true. That was a mistake. I definitely made a mistake. Previous version. Okay. Save. So now I should be able to submit this. There we go. Okay, so do that, do that. Form factors, app category. Back up for review. Okay. Well, there we go. That was really frustrating. It was frustrating because of a few reasons, right? So I'm going to write this down because I'm going to make a video about this later. Play Store rejection was frustrating. The other, and I, actually, let's put this as a second point. I didn't receive emails about either infraction. Which actually totally sucks because I've been checking my email every day. I figured it would come through the email, but I haven't been checking the portal. I'm just gonna write that down. I've been checking email every day, but not the console. 3. It was very hard to find where to upload the new icon. 4. It was impossible to find the dimensions of the circle icon relative to the 512 square. 5. It was confusing to figure out how to release a new playtest and a new release. So yeah, there we go. That was tough. We figured out 5 really annoying things today. And got it up for review again. So that's good. The icon was on you? No. No. No, that is obviously on me. On you. Okay. Okay, yeah. Yes. Okay, fair enough, fair enough. The icon was on me for sure. I thought you were saying I should have got this in testing. I will never ever say something like that, just so you know. But anyway, that was funny. Funny miscommunication. Okay, well, I think I've unfortunately used all of my time today doing that. Quick, I want to give you a quick little news flash though. Not news flash, but a little update on this. I did find the bug. So the bug was that like if you push something off the bottom screen, it like flung the player, right? Okay, actually I take it back. I did not find the bug, but I have created a workaround. So yeah, the teleport thing. And so now, well, let's first go up top. Oh my gosh. You go up top, obviously it works. No issues, right? Go bottom. Boom. Perfect. Isn't that great? So, and one sec, I want to show it in this new level as well. See? Works. Except I've just trapped myself. Yep. This level has some reset issues. I should put that button a little lower. But anyway, I'm going to show you how I fixed it. Pushable box. So this is what I changed right here. Basically, I check if it's going to wrap. You love the statue? I love the statue too. He's the best. I'm proud of him. I'm gonna add a little bit more to his design. But he's pretty good. Anyway. So the cliff notes is that I disable collisions for a frame. So what happens is because the box wraps, so the box has collision on all loopables, right? So like over here, he exists on both planes right now, right? Actually, let's do the main scene. It's a little bit easier to see, I think. So when I push the box here, you're going to be able to collide with it like this, here, and up here, right? Like you need the collision to exist in both places. And so what that means is that there's a collider on all 9 looped assets or looped versions of it. And so when it teleports from the bottom to the top, it technically, like the colliders, the way they work is they detect that as movement. And so they see it as, oh, I have moved from here to here in a frame, so I need to apply velocity along that path. And I don't really know why it doesn't do the same thing on the other paths. I'm sure it has to do with the player's feet, right? So if we go to the player, the feet are like right at 0, 0, right? And so what happens probably is that the player also loops or something when it's going down. So that's a little tricky. But anyway, so what I did is I just turned off the collision for a frame. And so while it's moving, it's not colliding. And so I just check, does it need to wrap? Wrapping true, turn off the collisions, and then wrap. And then once on the next frame, it comes back through. It doesn't need to wrap. If it's already wrapping, then set it to false and set it to colliding again. And that's all it is. So I just turn off the collisions for a frame, and it works. And the reason I couldn't do it like you know, just do this, and then turn them back on afterwards. Like the reason I can't do that is because these take a physics frame to process, and so you need to basically you have to wait until the physics frame finishes. Anyway, it was just kind of a weird one, but I figured it out. It works now, and I'm pretty happy. Are the frames looked in that case? Looped, maybe? That's 6. Oh, are they locked? Yes, I think I do lock it at 60. Let's check. Okay, I clearly don't remember where that is. Yes. Oh, I don't lock it. I have unlocked it. Maybe I need to change that back. Movie writers at 60. Anyway. I think I actually don't know what to think about locking frames per second. Okay, see ya.